Ma'am, another thing which has become very controversial and very thing is about Hindu reclamation of sites. And it is very contested, it is very problematic for some people. And how can this happen? How much we are going to reclaim and where will we stop?
I have to ask you one question, which comes to my mind whenever I hear of this, for example, at Sambal, etc., etc. I will answer that question. But a question that always comes to my mind is, imagine what happened to our forefathers in the medieval period when they saw one sacred structure after another being demolished.
Yes.
And no outrage.
No outrage.
So, I mean, I think we have to pay homage to our ancestors who survived and still did not give up the important basis of our heritage, which is temple and image worship.
Yes.
Now this contentious issue, I don't understand what the contention is, because first of all, the recovery has been so slow and so small. One success is Ayodhya, which took us 500 years.
Yes.
And that also after the court gave a unanimous judgment. So even if we leave aside what happened before independence, it took us 70 years after we became an independent country to get back something on which all the evidence was on the temple side. In the court, the judiciary, the judges in the Allahabad High Court who were hearing this case, they asked the Masjid party, we have to decide on the basis of evidence, and the Hindu or the temple party is producing this evidence. You also produce some evidence of your presence at that site from 1528, when the mandir was demolished, till 1858, that is a good 300 years later, when we first hear your voice. From 1528 till 1858, the Masjid party was not able to present any evidence in court that they were there. Which means it is possible that it was a case of smash and run away. You smash, there may not be that many people to offer namaz there.
And they were not offering namaz for the longest time.
So the longest time.
It is not an important site.
It's important because Ram was born there. So that is the importance of that site.
Yes.
But the whole point is that the story of where will it stop? I mean, who am I to decide where it will stop? It is the people who will decide. I'm not some judge sitting anywhere, or I have a command, a magic wand that I will. This is the wheel of time. The wheels of time, they move at their own pace and nobody can dictate. All right? This 500 years, so there is the reclamation, where will it stop? It hasn't even started, to ask, if you ask me. No. In Kashi.
Yes. There's no question about it in Kashi.
No, I'm saying something else.
Yes.
The temple was destroyed again and again.
Yes.
Which has been documented. The last time it was destroyed was on orders of Aurangzeb.
Yes.